At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are doing great. Uniform cops assigned to the Jamaica Supreme Court have been banned from using mobile phones inside the courtrooms amid complaints from judges and prosecutors that the devices have become a distraction. A top police official has disclosed. The ban, which took effect on Tuesday, also extends to cops assigned to the family court and the lower level petty session court. Me like this here. This is a good move. This is a good move. Officers distracted by movies scrolling on TikTok. Wanna hear that? Officers distracted by movies scrolling on TikTok. So I do not blame the courthouse. Yeah, man. And another thing me want to do for the Jamaican people. Yeah? If you make the police them stop wear the mask over them face. Make them stop cover up them face. Because the Jamaican people them can't see who they are. So I am calling upon the JCF. Me a call upon the judges them. These police, they need to stop wear those type of mask. Because them are do killing and we can't see them face. All of them something I need to stop. St. Mary police are investigating the murder of a 62-year-old man whose body was found with gunshot wounds near bushes in Enfield. He is George Malcolm, a farmer of Board Villa in Fort Stewart. The discovery was made in an area known as Dry River in Enfield. It is reported that about 2:10 p.m., residents heard several loud explosions and alerted the police. I want another farmer this, My wisdom warriors. This man is a farmer. Honestly, what go on? Them a kill off the farmer them. What is really going on? What is really happening in our country? Me rotted wall. Evening this, this happening at the afternoon. 2:10 p.m. 2:10 p.m. Residents heard several explosions. 2:10 p.m. my wisdom warriors. In the afternoon. I just want to say rest in peace and my condolence goes out to the family. My wisdom warriors, it has come to my attention that Holness is suing the government. Holness is suing the state. You never hear something go like this yet? From yesterday, I want to come out, but I did get busy. From yesterday, I want to come out and talk about this, but I was so busy. How can Holness suing the government? Una see the JLP mash up. Una see a pure bangarang go on in the Jamaica Labour Party and them a hide it. A pure bangarang, go on in there, Pure bangarang. How could you sue in the state? Una see this a man just want to rip off the little what Jamaica have left. In thief whole leap and it's still not enough. He want more. He want more. My wisdom warriors, Holness and 3 connected companies, Imperium Investment Holding Limited, which he owns, Positive Media Solutions Limited, and Positive Jamaica Foundation Limited, were given 14 days to file his claim after receiving permission on December 6, and it was submitted on December 20. Justice Jarrett, who granted the permission, also confirmed the serving of the lawsuit on the Attorney General and ordered that an amended claim form should be filed by February 7, reflecting that the state is also being sued in the matter. Una hear that, my wisdom warriors? Una hear what Justice Jarrett say? Una hear what the judge say a while ago? I mean, a nationwide have this all over. Me no see nationwide have this all over, All him have over amnesty. Wanna for show these things? Show these things. Because the judge has spoken. The judge have spoken. How can a government sue a government? I just don't get it. I just don't get it. This for sure in Jamaica say, not all glitter is goal. Not all is well in the Jamaica Labour Party, because the whole of them work together. The whole of them are a Labour right. The whole of them, Attorney General, the whole of them. Attorney General was the one who fight for the DPP. The whole of them worked. No, sir. Hear this here. Prime Minister Andrew Holness appointed Dr. Derek McCoy as the Attorney General of Jamaica on January 11, 2022. Wanna hear that? Wanna hear that, my wisdom warriors? Wanna hear what me just say? It was Andrew Holness that appointed Dr. Derek McCoy as the Attorney General. Andrew Holness appoint him to be the Attorney General. Yeah? McCoy has a wealth of legal knowledge and experience and has served on a number of public and private boards. He was previously a commissioner of Jamaica Integrity Commission and anti-corruption body until he resigned in January 2020. He has also worked as the Contractor General for Jamaica. McCoy was made Queen Counsel in May 2022. Me I show you these things, you know. So Andrew Holness is basically suing his own self, his own government. What can go so? This makes sense? This makes sense. You know, see a rip Andrew Holness want rip off Jamaica. You know, see the money them want Andrew Holness thief not enough. So Andrew Holness want more money. And that's him I do. That's all me can see, you know. That's all me can see. Because this man worked for you. This man was appointed by you, Andrew Holness. So how you feel turn around? You know, so Jamaican people feel go up a garden house and run you and drag you out a garden house, you Andrew Holness. You need to lift up from out of House of Parliament, though. You need to lift up, you know. What kind of slackness are going on? What kind of slackness really going on? Jamaica, you know, sister, the man take on for fall. You need to go out and demonstrate. Demonstrate and say we don't want no criminal prime minister. The man a go sue the state. First this ever happened in a history in a Jamaica. This never happened yet. First, I want to say Andrew Holness a good man. Good man where? Andrew Holness a good man and I sue the government and him are the government. What can go so? You know say a style Andrew Holness under for rip off Jamaica with the little what we have left. No man. Andrew Holness must go. A full time we make a stand Jamaica. We have to stand up, man. We have to stand up for something, man. We can't just sit down for nothing and so. We have to stand Jamaica. This man has sued the government. For what reason? What you sue the government for? You know, see, I'm more money Andrew. More money Andrew look. My blouse are skirt. Whoa, from I band, the SSL money never enough. The charity money never enough. The 28 bank account will wash the money laundering money them wasn't enough. Now Andrew Holness want rip off Jamaica. He want sue Jamaica for every dying. What a wicked rat in the world. What a wicked man. Where this money come from? Hey, you know see them sitting there where Andrew Holness out of Jamaica? Andrew Holness now go down without a fight, you know. Andrew Holness now go down without a fight, and Andrew Holness now step down and he now reside. And we the people have to stand up. We the people have to come together and mean say we have to get this man out. None of the ministers they not have no balls. None of them not have the courage to tell Andrew Holness to step down. None of them. You know see? Imagine so them sit down now and make Andrew Holness sue the government. The whole of the minister they alright with that. Hey, you know so una one idiot, una really a puppet on a string. I am so disappointed in these ministers. Me can't believe. Look the way how Andrew Holness behave. Look the way how Andrew Holness behave. And una sit down and una alright with this. The whole of una alright with this. In the Jamaica Labour Party, una me a talk to, another PNP. Una me a talk to. Una alright with Andrew Holness, I saw the government. So now the whole I want to make up the government. And una alright with that. The same Attorney General where Andrew Holness appointed, put in a disposition. The same Attorney General where Mr. come out and fight for Andrew Holness, but that fi happen to uno. And that fi happen to uno. Me tell you say Andrew Holness I go throw uno under the ratted wall, but so uno never listen. But then again, my wisdom warriors, a style Andrew Holness under. Andrew Holness just want to rip off Jamaica and take some money. A that him under. You know hear me? How you feel send lawsuit? But my first me ever hear this. From I born, I never hear something go so yet. I never hear something go so yet. Jesus mercy, the man terrible. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think about this and put on honest opinion in the comment section. We're going to talk a little about Venesha because Venesha out here is making a fool of herself. So take a look at this. My wisdom warriors, Nationwide posted this saying, opposition leader Mark Golding has accused Prime Minister Andrew Holness of seeking to use the court to undermine the country's anti-corruption framework. Yeah, wanna hear what Nationwide say? I'm getting there in my wisdom warriors. I'm just showing you this first, yeah? And showing you how the labor right them out here, not the labor right, how Venesha out here tricking the labor right them and through the labor right them dunce, them believe it. You hear what Nationwide say? Nationwide say Mark Golding has accused Prime Minister Andrew Holness of seeking to use the court to undermine the country's anti-corruption framework. That is not a lie. That is true. That is true. Mark Golding say Andrew Holness is out here seeking the court to undermine the country. How did he do that? How did Andrew Holness do that? Because Andrew Holness asked the judge to remove Section 14. I want to remember good enough. Yes, man. You understand? So obviously, from you can pick up yourself and I go to the judge and I tell the judge to remove this and remove that. That is what you're doing. You are using the court to undermine the anti-corruption framework. That is what you're doing. Mark Golding never tell no lie. We all know that. So, me telling you, so when Nationwide come out, them always use the term Mark Golding accuse the Prime Minister. But when Andrew Holness come out, them never yet use the term and say Andrew Holness is accusing Mark Golding. Never. Never, my wisdom warriors. But anytime Mark Golding open him out, they always say Mark Golding accuse Andrew Holness. Like Andrew Holness a good somebody. Andrew Holness a good somebody? And that me want know. Andrew Holness a good somebody Nationwide. Uno know in our no heart say Andrew Holness is a wicked man. Uno know that. Moving on, my wisdom warriors. So, what Venesha did now? Venesha repost this. Repost what Nationwide put out and say opposition leader Mark Golding has accused Prime Minister Andrew Holness of seeking to use the court to undermine the country's anti-corruption framework. Yeah? So, Venesha right now, look what she write. Look at this demonic man though. Mark Golding, she called demonic, you know. He sees this plan fall into pieces. All of a sudden, he doesn't trust the court. You hear the liar, girl? Where in this Mark Golding stated, say, him never trust the court. Where in this did Mark Golding stated that he didn't trust the court? And who more demonic than you, Venesha? Who is more demonic than you? You are the demonic one. You is a traitor. You is a bitch. That is what you are. Yeah, that is what you are. So, you is nobody. Yeah, somebody? You're not somebody, Venesha. You is nothing. And you're not going to go further in the Jamaica Labour Party. You stay right there, so. You stay right there, so, where you're there. And you're not going to go further. Remember me at half of the press tell you that. You're not going to go further because you're a traitor. And JLP don't like traitor. Use them or use you, bitch. Use them or use you. My wisdom warriors, yeah? Where in this when Nationwide write and say, Mark Golding say him not trust the court? Where in that? So you see how the labor right, them a trick the labor right? You see that though? Venesha a trick the labor right them. And guess what? You want to see the labor right them underneath the comment section. Me I wonder if they can read or what. That's why I cuss them all the while and say them dunce. Because you have people like Venesha come out and put up something like this. And then the labor right then read this with understanding and I agree with Venesha. And say Mark Golding not trust the court. Stop tell lie. Mark Golding trust the court. Mark Golding say Andrew Holness is seeking. Listen good bitch. Mark Golding say Andrew Holness is seeking to use the court to undermine the country anti-corruption framework. Everybody know that. And I'm not now hide. And I'm not now hide. So, you come out here, come go and like say, una something. Una is nobody, man. Una smart, man. Eh? You too little bit enough of Venesha. Stay in your lane, brother. Stay in your lane. Stay in your lane. And nobody come out and come run off your stinking mouth, bitch. You understand me? I talk about Mark Golden. Now, who you, man? Who you? You now go further than where you're the girl. You see what's part of there? Alright, they say you stay and lower you go. You will never go higher than the Jamaica Labour Party. Because me tell you already, I'm going to tell you again. Jamaica Labour Party don't like traitor. If you never know. And they have you as one. You hear me? Them have you as one. They not trust you. And a semi-say it or something where me know. Them same one a chat you. Them same one a chat you, Venesha. You see, say you're fool out here every day you cuss the PNP. But you're fool. You're idiot. You're out here cuss Mark Golden. You're sick in your head, girl. You is a sick individual. You is a sick individual. You couldn't normal. This girl put out this rubbish now. And I tell lie for Mark Golden. Did Mark Golden say him not trust the court? Did Mark Golden say that? When Mark Golden said that? Mark Golden would never say such a thing. Because every time Mark Golden bring Andrew Holness to courthouse, he always win the case them. So what are you talking about? You sound like a shit house. You sound like a shit in a plate. You, Venesha. He's an idiot. You're just a fool. And out here a tricky labor right them. And you know what about me, my wisdom warriors? How me see the labor right them underneath it. I say, yes. I say, like them can't read. Before they carry car. But then again, they so dunce. It is really sad. Me can't believe in a 2025 with people are go back way. Just, you see, uno labor right? Uno make with people them look like a fool, you know. Because uno out here a trick the Jamaican people. Uno need to stop it. And uno need to come down now. Uno need to come down. My wisdom warriors, uno tell me what you think about this. Put uno honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome people. Don't forget to go over to my other channel. It is called the PNP News Round. Subscribe and get me to 5K subs. Blessings upon blessings. One love.